This is the Hisense 85-inch QLED TV. It is big, it is bold, it is packed with features that could make a solid choice for a home setup. But is it actually worth your money? Let's find out. Before we dive into specs, let's get this thing out of the box. And trust me, this is not a one-person job. One great bonus, Hisense includes a heavy-duty wall mount in the box. It is strong, designed to handle the weight of this massive 85-inch screen and save you the hassle of buying one separately. If you are planning your wall mount, just make sure your wall can support it because this TV is no lightweight. Alright, first impressions, it is massive. If you are planning to buy this, make sure you have enough space because this is not your average living room TV. Inside the box we get the usual power cable, quick start guide, and the Hisense remote. The remote is pretty standard but has quick access button for Netflix, YouTube, and other streaming services. Design-wise, Hisense keep it simple with ultra-thin bezels, giving you more screen and less distraction. The build feels premium. If you are not wall mounting, you need to attach the legs. It is simple. Just line up the legs with the slots, secure them with the included screws, and you are good to go. These legs are wide set. Make sure your TV stand is big enough to support them. If not, wall mounting might be the better option. This Hisense TV runs on VIDA, Hisense's own smart TV platform. It is lightweight, responsive, and it comes with inbuilt apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Videos. Now let's talk about the main attraction, the display. This is a QLED panel, meaning you get quantum dot technology for richer colors and deeper contrast. With a 120Hz refresh rate, it's also a solid choice for gamers. Speaking of gaming, this TV supports variable refresh rates and auto low latency mode, meaning smoother gameplay with minimal input lag. If you have a PS5 or Xbox Series X, this could be a greater budget-friendly alternative to more expensive gaming TVs. Hisense claimed enhanced audio, but let's be real, TV speakers are rarely amazing. While it's loud enough for casual viewing, if you want a real home theater experience, a soundbar or external speakers are a must. So is the Hisense 85-inch QLED TV worth it? If you're after a massive screen with a great picture quality, decent gaming features, and a smooth smart TV experience without breaking the bank, this is a solid option. Let me know in the comments, will you buy this? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more unboxing and reviews. See you in the next one.